Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed. Today we're looking at the Sharp SMD2470ASY microwave drawer oven, a premium 24-inch stainless steel appliance designed for convenience and a modern kitchen upgrade. This microwave drawer features 1.2 cubic feet of cooking space and delivers 950 watts of power, making it perfect for everyday heating, reheating, and cooking tasks. What really sets it apart is the concealed control panel with a sleek digital LCD display, which opens at a 45-degree angle for easy viewing. With its smooth glide drawer mechanism, you can easily open and close it with just a gentle pull or push. Customers love its space-saving design, especially for kitchen islands and built-in setups, as well as how easy it is to load and unload dishes without bending. The modern stainless steel finish blends beautifully with other appliances, and the controls are intuitive once you get used to the drawer style. On the flip side, some reviewers mention that it comes at a premium price point compared to standard microwaves, and the installation may require professional assistance if you're not handy with cabinetry adjustments. On Amazon, this microwave drawer currently holds an impressive star rating from buyers, with many praising its reliability and design. If you want to check it out for yourself and get a special discounted price, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.